Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Man, these are my bad moments and heavy days in Forex. I'm not gonna lie, as you can see on the screen, this is GBPUSD the 4 hours time frame. Stop loss hit this week. I've hit stop loss twice this week. Then from good, I just hit stop loss a few hours ago. But I just wanna explain what I'm saying, and I made a mistake, I made a mistake. I'm not supposed to trade like this, but it's actually my pattern. But man, this period are very hard days. So the reason why I'm showing you guys this thing, I'm letting you guys know that you are not in this trading industry alone. If you are losing, even we, your mentors, we lost. There's nobody who is above losses, you understand? When I win, I will show you guys on this same channel. When I lose, I will show you guys. That's the kind of trader I am. Now, with this kind of structure that you're seeing, this is GBPUSD 4 hours time frame. Remember when I said it in my last video that I'm seeing GBPUSD selling very hard. I don't know if most of you watched my last video. I said it, I'm seeing GBPUSD selling very hard, but I was like, okay, no problem. So I have to take a buy entry from here. This is not actually a good break of structure. I was like, okay, let me just try. It's actually my pattern, the same way I trade. Look at inducement and liquidity sweep, tap into the 4 hours of that block, but the zoom, SL it. Okay, no problem. Then when I went to daily time frame, and I saw something in daily time frame. The price came down to sweep these lows to tap into this area before the move. It's more like a breakout block. But I think that this place is more like an inducement because price is supposed to come back to this other block. This is a daily order block. This is a daily order block. So I'm expecting price to come back to this place before I will expect the full bullish run. Because I think this is a trap. You know what I mean? So this is a trap. So that's for that. That's GBPUSD. His stop loss here. I will show you guys on the screen. I will show you guys. So it should not be as safe. People will say I'm lying, but I don't know. They're for good. This is good. Good, eh? You want seeing good? I'm seeing good as a pair that wants to sell downwards to this area, this daily order block, before I can buy again. Because now look at gold structure. It has been an uptrend, taking on the buy side liquidity for a very long time. So with all of these jargons that it's doing, I think gold just wants to fall to this area. Then before the bullish run is gonna happen. So here's more like an inducement. Here is an inducement. So now let me show you how gold hit my stop loss. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Now it's still the same strategy. Break. I caught this one inside last 2 weeks. But this buy, I made a mistake here. Now let me tell you what I did here. I caught this buy here. If you observe very well, you can see that it was actually on profit before. That's got it to 50% of my trade. I was supposed to set break even, but I don't know what kind of confidence I had on this trade that made me to hit SL. I just thought it would just buy no matter what, and price just came back and took me out of my SL. So, and the reason why I actually believe this buy, because of the pullback. When sellers were coming to the market, they were not aggressive. They were trekking. They were very, very corrective. This thing was actually telling me that okay, sellers are not really in control in this market. Buyers are still in control. So that was why I was having that conviction that this price is still going to buy. But all of a sudden, price just went up and came down aggressively and hit stop loss. Man, I'm not gonna lie. Since this week, I've been down, man. I'm not gonna lie. Psychology. I've just been looking at the chart, like what's happening. But it is what it is. It's trading. It's not really that we're losing. For now, I'm not sure if I'm going to trade for now, but I'm just looking at the pairs. So I still have a lot of money in my account, but I think from last 2 weeks till this week, or from last week to this week, all the money that I got last week, this is very sad to say, all the money that I got last week, Forex has taken it back. Yes, with this my 2 loss that I have this week like this. And today is just Tuesday. You know what I mean? Today is just Tuesday. So that's that and that and that. Then for Euro USD, now see what Euro USD did. In fact, this Euro USD was the one that ever paid me more. Now, this is also 4 hours. Break of structure after liquidity sweep, inducement sweep. Then I price tap into this breaker block. This is a breaker block. Then now I swing the trade. So when price has got it to half of my TP, and I set break even. I set break even on this trade yesterday. Price just came and swept me out there and went in my direction. Throughout yesterday, I was very, very angry. I was pissed off. By now, I would have hit TP. If gold, because these are the 2 trades that I take since this week: Euro USD and gold. These are the trades that I've taken this week. The GBP USD, that one hit stop loss last week. Today is just Tuesday. Yes, Euro USD and gold. I was even on this trade since last week Friday. You get me? So it was on profit. I set break even. Price just came, took me out on the break even, then went in my direction. If not, now I would have hit TP. But it is what it is. Now I went to the daily time frame to see the bigger picture of what this price is doing. I'm expecting. Look at the external break of structure, and this one is not really a good break of structure. So I'm seeing this area more like an inducement again. That all these lows, price is definitely going to come back and take them to this 4 hours OB before we swing the buy again. So what I'm expecting GBP USD to maybe Euro USD to move like this. Sorry. To move maybe like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Therefore, we swing. This is something I'm expecting. You understand? But this is going to take a very long time. So let's just keep observing the price. Let's see what they want to do. You know what I mean? So that is that, and that is that for that. So BTC for now, I'm just looking at BTC. Still looking at BTC for now. Nothing yet to trade. The only setup I'm still looking at is GBP JPY and USD JPY. I'm looking for buys already. Then with Euro AUD and Euro GBP. So it is what it is. The reason why I'm just showing you guys this trade, I just want you guys to know that yes, Forex is not easy. If you see the way people are posting online, see the way people are posting different setups, seeing the way they are catching sniper, seeing the way they are trading, Forex is not just the way they show you guys online. I'm not going to lie. Forex is a very hard game to make money in a simpler form. Yes, but it is very, very critical. You understand? It's not an easy journey. But you see, one thing that we're always looking at as Forex traders is that it's just a game. You know what I mean? Most of the time, this price is going to come and take us out, hit our stop loss, hit break even, hit TP. It's just a game. One thing I will still keep on saying that will be saving you in the Forex market is your risk management. If you don't know how to apply your risk management, you are doomed. I'm not going to lie. for about 2 weeks now. I'm just like break even now. Break even. You know what I mean? I'm just like break even. So I'm still hoping, I'm still looking for good setup to trade again. And I don't really know if it's because of the news, the crisis that is happening between maybe Israel and Iran plus US, the war that is happening. But I think maybe I think Trump has sent a warning that the war is going to end in less than maybe a few days. So, but I don't know, but market is just up and down, just doing what it's like, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. So I decided to show you guys this, to know I'm trading, to know, to take you guys along, because you guys are my family and you have been there from day one. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. If you find this video very helpful, just do it to like, share, comment, and engage. And comment your insight on other pair. Let's see how we can make some money during the week. You know what time it is. We still have 3 days. Alright guys, see you guys in our next video. Peace out guys.